Hello friends, merhaba arkadaşlar. In this lesson we are going to learn the buffer letters. So what is a buffer letter? In Turkish, two vowels cannot be together. When a word that ends with a vowel takes a suffix that starts with a vowel, we put the buffer letter between them. Let's see an example. I saw the car. Let's write it in Turkish. Car, araba. I saw, gördüm. In Turkish, the verb always comes at the end of the sentence. Gördüm. Okay, araba gördüm actually means I saw car. But I want to write I saw the car. So to write the article, I need to add an accusative suffix to araba. Araba, ı. As you see, the last letter of araba is a and the accusative suffix is ı. Both of them are vowels, so I need a buffer letter here. Y. Arabayı gördüm. I saw the car. Let's make another example. I saw the bear. Let's write it. Bear, ayı. I saw, gördüm. But I want to write the bear, so I need to add the accusative suffix, ayı, ı. As you see, there are two vowels together, so I need a buffer letter between them, y. Ayıyı gördüm. One more example. I saw the alphabet. Let's write it. Alphabet, alfabe. I saw, gördüm. But I want to write the alphabet, so I need to write the accusative suffix. E and E, both of them are vowels. They cannot be together, so I need to add a buffer letter here, which is Y. Alfabeyi gördüm. Alfabeyi gördüm is wrong. Alfabeyi gördüm. And last example, I saw the towel. Let's write it. Towel, havlu. I saw, gördüm. But I want to write the vowel, so accusative suffix u. As you see, there are two vowels together, which is not okay. I need to write a buffer letter between them. Havluyu gördüm. Okay, now let's see how we are going to use buffer letter S. Police, car. Police is a noun, car is a noun. Together they are a compound noun. Okay, police car is a compound noun. Let's write it in Turkish. Police, police, car, araba. Okay, but this car is belong to police. It's not a regular car. It is belong to police. So there is a possession here. Because of that, I need to write a possessive adjective suffix right here. But when I write it, I see that a and ı, which are two vowels, they are together, which is not okay. So I need to write a buffer letter between them. In this case, it is S. Polis, arabası. If there is only one noun or word that continues with a vowel, then we are going to use the buffer letter Y. If there is a compound noun, more than one noun, a compound noun, which continues with a suffix vowel, then we are going to use the buffer letter S. That's simple. Let's make some more examples. School bag. Okay, let's write it. School is okul. Bag is çanta. But as you see, this bag is not a regular bag. It belongs to school. So I need to write a possessive adjective suffix. Okay, as you see, there are two vowels together, a and ı. That's not okay. I need to write a buffer letter here. This is a compound noun, so the buffer letter is S. Okul çantası. School bag. Okul çantası. Let's make another one. Turkish alphabet. A compound noun consists of two nouns. Let's write it in Turkish. Turkish is Türk. Alphabet is alfabe. But this alphabet is not a regular alphabet. It is belong to Turkish. It is belong to Turkish. So I need to write the possessive adjective suffix right here. E and E are two vowels. Two vowels cannot be together. So I need to write a buffer letter here. It's a compound noun. So the buffer letter is S. Türk alfabesi. Turkish alphabet. Türk alfabesi. Let's make one last example. Desk, lamp. Desk is a noun and lamp is a noun. Together they are a compound noun. Let's write in Turkish. Desk is masa, lamp is lamba. But this lamp is not a regular lamp. We can see that this lamp is belong to the desk. So there's a possession here. I need to write a possessive adjective suffix. I. A and I are vowels. They cannot be together. And this is a compound noun. So I'm going to use the buffer letter S. Masa, lambası. Desk, lamp. Okay, now let's take a look at the buffer letter N. How are we going to use it? I saw the police car. Let's write it in Turkish. Polis car, polis araba. I saw, gördüm. The verb is at the end. Okay, but we know this car is not a regular car. It belongs to police. So I need to write the possessive adjective suffix first. Araba, I. Two vowels cannot be together. In this case, I need to add a buffer letter. This is a compound noun. So the buffer letter is S. Polis arabası. All right, but I want to write the police car. So I need to add the accusative suffix now. I again, two vowels cannot be together. And in this case, I'm going to write the buffer letter N. Polis arabasını gördüm. So the compound noun takes the buffer letter S, and the accusative suffix which comes to compound noun takes the buffer letter N. Let's make another one. I lost the school bag. Let's write it. School is okul, bag is çanta. I lost, kaybettim. First of all, this çanta is belong to school, so I need a possessive adjective suffix, I. A and I are vowels, they cannot be together. I need a buffer letter for compound noun. The buffer letter is S. And this is not a regular school bag, it's this school bag. I'm talking about a particular bag, so I need to write the accusative suffix I. Two vowels cannot be together again, and in this case, I'm going to write buffer letter N. All right. Let's make one more. I learned the Turkish alphabet. Let's write it. Turkish, Türk, alphabet, alphabe. I learned, öğrendim. Okay, this alphabet is belong to Turkish, so I need to write the possessive adjective suffix. I. E and I are vowels, they cannot be together, so I need a buffer letter S for the compound noun. But I want to say the Turkish alphabet, so I need to write the accusative suffix I. Again, there are two vowels, and in this case, I need to write the buffer letter N. Türk alfabesini öğrendim. I learned the Turkish alphabet. Türk alfabesini öğrendim. Let's make one last example. I broke the desk lamp. Let's write it. Desk, masa, lamp, lamba. I broke, kırdım. This lamp is belong to desk, so I need to write a possessive adjective suffix. All right? Two vowels, A and I, cannot be together. And this is a compound noun, so I need to add the buffer letter S. I don't want to say desk lamp. I want to say the desk lamp, so I need to add the accusative suffix I. There are two vowels together. That cannot be. So I need to write a buffer letter between them, and in this case it is N. Masa lambasını kırdım. I broke the desk lamp. Masa lambasını kırdım. Now we are going to see all the buffer letters together and clarify everything. Let's start with this one. I saw the car. Let's write it. Car, araba. I saw, gördüm. But it is not a regular car, it is the car, a particular one. So I need to add the accusative suffix here. There is only one noun, one word. So I'm going to use the buffer letter Y. One word, one noun. So we are going to use buffer letter Y. Let's continue. Police car. Police is a noun. Car is a noun. This is a compound noun. Let's write it. Police. And the car is araba. But this car is belong to police. So I need to use the possessive adjective suffix, which is I. A and I, two vowels, cannot be together. So I need to write the buffer letter S. because for compound nouns, we are using buffer letter S. All right. For one noun, ye. For compound nouns, S. Let's continue. I saw the police car. Let's write this one. Police car, police, araba. I saw, gördüm. I know this car is belong to police, so I need to write the possessive adjective suffix first. I. A and I are vowels, they cannot be together, so I need to write the buffer letter S for the compound noun. Also, I want to write the police car, so I add the accusative suffix here, I. Two vowels cannot be together again, and in this case, I'm going to write the buffer letter ne. So only for one noun, one word, I'm going to use buffer letter ye. For compound noun, I'm going to use buffer letter se. And if I'm adding an accusative suffix to a compound noun, then I'm going to use buffer letter ne. If you have any questions about buffer letters, please write them on the comment section. Hope to see you in our following lessons. For now, goodbye. Hoşça kalın.